Welcome to another amazing day on the worksite, where heavy machinery does what humans alone cannot. Today we are watching the powerful Caterpillar 990 wheel loader in action, loading coal onto lorries with pure strength and smooth control. It might look simple from a distance, but this is a combination of power, balance, operator skill, and real industrial experience. Every scoop of coal is heavy, every movement is calculated, and every second matters. The loader begins its work, engine rumbling with a deep tone as it approaches the stockpile. The bucket drops, cutting through coal like a steel claw through sand. With one steady push, the loader fills the bucket, lifts it high, and turns toward the waiting lorry. The movement is controlled, stable, and confident. You can almost feel the weight being carried by the massive front tires as the Cat 990 glides forward. The operator raises the boom, opens the bucket, and dumps a full load straight into the truck bed. Coal pours down like a dark waterfall, completely filling the space. Within seconds, the loader is already heading back for another scoop. No time is wasted. This is real job site efficiency. When machines and operators work together this smoothly, productivity becomes unstoppable. Coal loading is not only about strength, it also requires precision. Too fast and the loader might spill material. Too slow and the entire production line slows down. That is why the Cat 990 exists, to handle demanding work quickly and safely. Its hydraulic system gives the operator full control, allowing the bucket to rise and tilt with exact angles. The wide stance and heavy frame keep the machine stable, even with a full bucket raised high. If you listen closely, you can hear the engine shifting power as the loader climbs over uneven ground. The tires grip firmly, built to survive sharp rocks, heavy loads, and tough terrain. This machine is designed for mining, quarries, and bulk material handling, places where weaker equipment would fail. The Cat 990 works hour after hour, day after day, showing why big loaders are the backbone of large operations. Watching the lorries fill up, you can see how important timing is. The loader must match the height, angle, and position of every truck. The bucket stays low while traveling and rises only when needed, keeping the center of gravity stable. A skilled operator can load a truck in just a few passes, saving fuel, saving time, and boosting production. Coal itself can be dusty and uneven, but the Cat 990 handles it without hesitation. The bucket teeth cut through the pile, lift heavy material, and release it cleanly. Nothing about this process is random. Every movement is part of a working rhythm that keeps the mine operating smoothly. The machine does the heavy lifting, but the operator's experience makes it fast, clean, and safe. From the cab, the driver sees everything: the truck position, the ground condition, and the stockpile height. One mistake could slow the job down, but a professional operator keeps the machine steady, accurate, and always in the right spot. That's the beauty of heavy machinery: human skill and mechanical power working together. As the video continues, the loader keeps loading truck after truck, proving its real strength. No special effects, no shortcuts, just real industrial performance. This is what keeps factories running, power plants supplied, and industries moving forward. If you enjoy watching powerful machines like this, make sure to subscribe, like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay connected for more real worksite action. More excavators, loaders, dump trucks, bulldozers, and mining machines are coming soon. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.